Okay, we're here today again looking at Nato Ryu, and we're using Book of Samurai, Samurai Arms, Armor, and the Tactics of Warfare. Now we're looking at something called Senshi no Ho, which is how to select people. And these are the first 5 of a 2-part. So part 1, or number 1, is poor people you should use to assault. They want to get their status back, they want to get money, they want to get reward. So use them to assault and smash the enemy. They'll be fierce. Good runners you should use to find ambushes. Get them legging it around the battle camp to know where ambushes are laid. Brave and strong people should be used against gates and forts and to backfill in moats. They need to be strong and robust and be right in the sort of the death jaws of the enemy. Intelligent people and good talkers should be used as spies, and they should talk to other warriors from the enemy. And archers and gunners should be used to sweep away the enemy. So don't just put people into these categories. Actually take people that are good. So for example, somebody's good at running, find all your best runners, make a squad. Find your strongest people, make a squad. Find the poorest people, make a squad. Then use them accordingly.